the newest addition to our family. Meet Cheyanne. Cheyenne's pretty playful. Looks like she's pretty hippie. Now let's introduce her to Bailey, the bird. Here comes the bird. Oh, you hear him? Yes, that's a parrot. Yes, that's a cat. Now we're intimidating the cat to eat the bird. Do you think it'll happen? Nope. Look, they're both so scared of each other they don't even know what the fuck. He's playing dead. Uh-oh. Look, he knows what's up.
Easy. Easy.
Big and bigger.
Easy. Okay, get away from that hot stuff. It's too hot.
Look, he's standing his ground. Step up.
Step up. Step up.
Whoa. Hey, you're safe. Oh. No. The ball. Get the ball. Good boy, Frankie. Yeah, you tell him, Bailey. Chase him out of there. That's your cage, buddy. Stand your ground.